going on a little adventure, as I like to do sometimes. We've heard there's surf in North Devon that is not too windy, and before the storm hits later, we're going to go and try and find a wave. They cancelled, or they called off Boardmasters, and I was pretty bummed about it. Well, massively bummed. But we booked an Airbnb. I'd organised for you to come hang out and capture the whole adventure, to see what we got up to. So now we've got to recreate our own adventure in some way, shape or form. Plan is to organise off-the-cuff guerrilla style some sort of gathering, like whether it's yoga, whatever it is we've got to use to get people together. But we're trying to recreate a little bit of magic using the powers that we have, social media, to see if we can create a little vibe. So that's the mission.
Have we got waves?
We got waves, baby. Well, the surf was a huge success. We looked out before the crowds came. The sun was out, the waves were smooth. It was an offshore wind. I got my quota of 10 waves in the first 10 minutes, so I was a happy boy. Got salt in my eyes, salt up my nose. Ooh. I've got a smile on my face. I've moved my body before 11 o'clock a lot. And now we're going to reward ourselves with some food, right?
Right.
So we have put the feelers out to people in Newquay, trying to find a location, a yoga studio or space where we can put on an event, like a workshop or a yoga class, to try and recreate the magic that we were going to build on the beach for Boardmasters and all the talks that have now obviously been cancelled. So far we have had loads of people come back to us and try their best to pull in all the favours. We've got a few venues we're going to go and check out. There's a really cool little Pilates studio that we need to go and check, that probably will fit between 20 and 30 people, which is exciting. But now we've got to get the people to come to the space and make this happen. And we've got 24 hours probably to get it all locked in before Saturday, but I'm confident we can make it happen. So we've got to make some calls. So we're going to get on there. Well, I think we're both getting cabin fever, stuck in the Airbnb, waiting for this rain to kick in. Thought we were going to have a really productive day on laptops and filming, smash that. But the sun's out, there's blue sky, there's no sign of a storm. So we're gonna get into a cafe. I know the perfect little spot. Do great coffee, great cakes. We've got to make a few little calls to secure some yoga mats and a few other bits and pieces. We're gonna make it happen because the workshop is happening on Saturday, tomorrow. The power of social media. The tribe has come and delivered. Well, we knew it was coming in, didn't we? And it looks like it's coming in. Still looks beautiful though, doesn't it? The ocean. I mean, the sun is out. The sun's just come out again. We just had a little rain shower, but the sun's back out. Do a little drive-by. I just put a message out there saying like Boardmasters is finished, it's closed, they've cancelled it, but still make a little vibe. So just put a message out there, and like 18 people messaged me with like locations, different people, and like 20 people messaged me last night wanting to do the class today. We could even get like more yoga teachers to come and teach all day. Surely. So this is how it's happening. This is what I love about it. It's just like, yeah.
So are you coming tomorrow? Yeah. Thanks, guys. Hello, nice to meet you.
So, like, did you know you were going to be here? Like, what was your...
So the short version is,
Yeah.
I was asked to come and teach for the Boardmasters.
Yeah.
So I was doing like beach yoga in the morning, and then talks and stuff at the festival while it was all kicking off.
Oh, mate.
And then obviously when it was cancelled, people were messaging me, we've come down here and we were hoping to do a class, and I thought, well, let's still make it happen.
So how many people do you think you need to house?
Well, I think we've got about 20 people at the moment.
Right, okay. You want me to carry it? Let me carry it up.
It's honestly all right. Honestly, I promise you.
No, I'm going to carry it. Like, toilets places will, like, most places will be shut up tomorrow.
Okay, so be quiet. Okay, yeah. I think we definitely get a photo. How cool would it be though? It's the hype of this, just in itself, of like we're doing a gorilla style pop-up workshop off the cuff in the
So now,
right now, call up, like, ringing everybody, people like messaging me, like, what's happening, I'm coming on our way. And I buzz off that.
Yeah.
So anything we can put together will just be magic. So at the moment, there's some blue sky around. There's no rain. It's not too windy. The warnings are there. So we're going to try and sneak in a little swim before it all kicks off. Still no rain. Water's a lovely temperature. Now I'm ready for my porridge. Right, so we're going to have a little bit of porridge. Here's a little cup. I don't know where everything is. So we've got some Scottish oats. I normally freestyle this a little bit because I've been doing it for so many years. Thanks, Grandma. So I've like half a cup each, roughly. I'm going to do 50-50 water and then alternative to milk. Whack it on. I don't like it too thick, so you can always add a little bit more water. A little pinch of salt. Okay, so we're going to have a little bit of protein. Not too much. But I like a plant-based protein, especially like this one, like this chocolate peanut butter one. Not too runny, not too thick. Look at that. Richie's kitchen live in Newquay in the Airbnb with the bare minimum. So we improvise a little bit. So lovely consistency, if I don't say so myself. Grandma would be proud. Yeah, I've done that a few times. Just gonna freestyle here. We've got some summer fruits which I've actually let them defrost a little bit. You don't want it to be too frozen to make your thing cold. And then my favourite bit, the nut butter. But it's gonna taste banging. Whoa. Well, we're growing boys, aren't we? We need to fuel up properly. We're gonna be surfing, we're gonna be hiking. But make sure you get that fuel right. Add that on the mix, just a thought. I normally use like chia seeds and things like that. Okay, your turn. Well, I don't know when the time's gone, but it just disappeared super quick. But today is Saturday. The rain is here, the wind came, the storm came, so the prediction was right. But we've organised this workshop, this session, within 48 hours. We've hustled up well over 30 people, I think, but the vibe is going to be high. I feel excited, I feel nervous, as I always do. And yeah, I have no idea what's going to happen today, but people have come, people are interested, people are hyped. It's going to be fun. Let's go and see what happens. Hi guys.
Hey!
Well done.
I'm so sorry.
You did really well. Well done. I'm so impressed that you found it. It's just cool that you can use the power of social media and stuff. Good, and bring together a nice little vibe in such a short space of time. Well, after a successful workshop, you know, where some of the Boardmasters gang came along, we were able to de-stress, unravel, unwind, have a little flow. Vibes were high, full room. It's going to be a nice way to close things out. There's going to be an epic sunset, and I think we all deserve a cold drink. So looking forward to closing out the weekend for our last night. I think we deserve it. We do deserve it. Look at that. We got surf, we got sunshine. Just look at how the ocean behaves, how the ocean moves.